To monitor Trust Wallet installation, start by understanding what Trust Wallet is. A popular mobile wallet for storing and managing cryptocurrencies. The first step is to download and install the Trust Wallet app from the official website or app store. Once installed, open the app and agree to the terms and conditions. Create a new wallet by setting a strong password and backing up your seed phrase in a safe place. Next, navigate to the wallet dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other wallet details. To monitor your installation, regularly check for updates and install the latest version of the Trust Wallet app to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. It is also essential to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and following the prompts to set up 2FA. To further monitor your Trust Wallet installation, regularly review your transaction history and account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. You should also keep an eye on the official Trust Wallet social media channels and website for any announcements or warnings about potential security issues. Best practices for monitoring Trust Wallet installation include regularly backing up your seed phrase, keeping your password and 2FA codes secure, and being cautious when clicking on links or providing sensitive information. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Trust Wallet installation and ensure the security and integrity of your cryptocurrency holdings. Remember to always prioritize security and stay informed about any updates or potential issues that may affect your wallet.